Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Shorthand System. Unseen newspaper notes, page number 27 and 28. Dictation speed 80 words per minute. If you want dictation at 60 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75. And if you want dictation at 100 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready, start. Many Western governments echoed the US in voicing support for Israel's right to self-defense against attacks by Hamas. Full stop. Nevertheless, countries like Norway and Ireland, both non-permanent members of UNSC, voiced concern for civilian casualties, including children, from Israeli airstrikes and asked that Israel cease its settlement activities. Full stop. Russia warned Israel that more civilian casualties in Gaza were intolerable and called for an end to violence. Full stop. While the latest eruption in Palestine's long and strategic history has familiar echoes, some dimensions of the crisis were a departure from the past and could prove con- consequential. Full stop. The first difference was the scale of protests by Palestinians that simultaneously took place across the occupied territories and in Israel. Full stop. Never before had Palestinians living in Israel joined the protesters in the numbers witnessed. Full stop. Even otherwise, biased reports in the New York Times acknowledged that the protesters were finding new footholds and threatening the surface of Israeli society in ways not seen before. Full stop. The Guardian noted that the outpouring of support from Israelis Palestinians citizens created a new front inside Israel rarely witnessed in the past. Full stop. The unprecedented anger within was widely attributed to what Human Rights Watch in a recent report called Israel's apartheid policies towards Arabs who constitute a fifth of its population. Full stop. Another unprecedented aspect of the crisis was the show of popular solidarity with Palestinians across the world, that too in times of a pandemic. Full stop. In Muslim nations, this was to be expected, but the scale of protests was significant, while Western countries, including the US and UK, also saw big demonstrations. Full stop. This wave of global public support contrasted sharply with the positions adopted by governments, especially in the West, although bold voices in the US Congress and other Western parliamentarians were a call of conscience for them. Full stop. President Biden faced growing criticism from progressive Democrats for his stance. Full stop. It also prompted prominent American opinion makers to assert that the unshakable bonds of friendship with Israel were shaking in America, especially in the Democratic Party. Full stop. A Gallup poll, for example, found that over half of Democrats felt the US should learn on Israel to make concessions rather than the Palestinians, full stop, while a ceasefire has brought the latest Israeli aggression to an end. This will only be a silence before the next storm. Full stop. The ineluctable reality is that the unresolved Palestinian issue remains a collective failure of the international community. Full stop. Scores of General Assembly resolutions have called for an end to the illegal Israeli occupation of Palestine. Full stop. There are 88 Security Council resolutions on the Palestine question. Full stop. The answer to the dispute, comma, the oldest on the UN agenda, comma, has long been spelled out in several resolutions, comma, a two-state solution that ensures a viable and independent state of Palestine, full stop. But in recent years, Israel was encouraged by President Donald Trump's policies into abandoning the two state solution and sought instead to impose a one state solution while expanding illegal settlements in violation of UNSC Resolution 2334. Stop writing, please.